Welcome to the fourth installment of the Nexus series, the 5 artificial intelligence myths your leadership team still believes. We'll explore misconceptions that are costing organizations real money. Let's decode artificial intelligence for executives. This is the episode 4 of AI Decoded for Executives. Today, we'll explore 5 myths hindering AI progress at the leadership level. Let's uncover these misconceptions and their impact on organizations. Artificial intelligence won't replace most jobs, but it will automate tasks. McKinsey reports less than 5% of jobs are fully automatable, while 60% have tasks that can be automated. The real challenge is managing artificial intelligence effectively. Leaders should identify which tasks artificial intelligence should handle first and who will oversee this transition. Leaders often believe perfect data is necessary to start AI projects, but no organization has flawless data. Successful ones begin with what they have, improving over time. Pilots reveal data gaps faster than audits. Start with one use case and a clean data set. Perfect data is a delay tactic, not a strategy. AI isn't too complex for non technical leaders. Executives govern AI like finance or legal, using judgment, not code. The key is understanding AI strategy and communicating it clearly. Can you explain your AI strategy to the board in plain language? Many leaders believe their industry is immune to AI due to regulations or legacy systems. However, AI enhances decision making across all sectors. In healthcare, it aids diagnostics and patient triage. In legal, it streamlines contract review. Government benefits from policy modeling, and manufacturing sees improvements in quality and logistics. Consider which decisions in your team could be accelerated by AI. Many leaders feel it's too late to catch up with artificial intelligence due to competitor moves and hype. However, most organizations are still in early stages. The gap is smaller than it seems. A focused 90-day pilot can quickly close the gap. Consider what artificial intelligence pilot to launch next month and identify barriers. We've explored 5 myths about artificial intelligence and the strategic questions that replace them. These insights guide executives in navigating artificial intelligence integration effectively. Consider which tasks artificial intelligence should tackle first. The importance of clean data, simplifying artificial intelligence strategies, industry specific challenges, and the urgency of launching focused pilots. Reflect on these to drive your artificial intelligence initiatives forward. That concludes the episode 4 of AI Decoded for Executives. Next Friday, we'll explore my proprietary AI readiness framework tailored for C suite leaders. Follow along as this series is designed specifically for you.